Hey, what's guys, this is Galki White and today I'm unboxing the Maisto Power Racer City Collection. These are the cars, they are now unboxed. Now let's start with this one. This is a BMW concept car, as you can see. It's a BMW concept car and it's the CSL Concept. They made a CSL a while back, and this is the concept version of it. And this is the Honda Civic Type R. As you can see, it's really good looking sparkly paint. In real life, this car comes with a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with a manual transmission. This is a Porsche 911. Pretty good looking car. In fact, in this one the doors also do open. All of these cars are pullbacks, as you can see. And finally, the Lamborghini Centenario. Beautiful looking car, as you can see. It's got a V12 engine. Now let's start with the lower end of the cars. Now these are the cars on the lower level. This is a Bugatti Chiron, as you can see. In real life, this car is an 8-liter W16 engine, which is basically two 4-liter V8 engines paired or connected together, and looks beautiful in this color. The doors do open, as you can see. Pretty good looking car. Diamond stitching interior. Now let's move on to the next one, which is a 2020 C8 Corvette. This is the first ever Corvette to have a mid-engined, or to be mid-engined. It has a 6.2 liter V8 LT2 engine. It's a beautiful car. 0 to 100 in 2.9 seconds. Beautiful looking one. As you can see. This is a Nissan GTR. In real life, it has a 3.8 liter V6 twin turbo. As you can see, the doors do open. That's the interior. A really good looking car. The last one in line is a Chevrolet Camaro. Beautiful sparkly paint. Nice metal flake finish. As you can see. That's the interior. Beautiful looking car.